Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Mike Martin's here on Mike Martin's channel. Got some interesting information for the housing market. Everyone's got to listen to this. This is the housing market in Australia. For the Australian proper, not the investor, not the guy that owns 20 homes, the Australian proper. This is a very interesting little find. This is what they're stating, okay? That 71% of Australians would be doomed or default or fall behind if their monthly payments went up $109. I don't know why $109. I don't know why exactly 109. But if it would basically wreck a majority of people. And you know why? Because these are the people that bought within the last 3 to 4 years when the prices were high in Australia. So imagine the people living in Toronto that bought in the last year when prices doubled. Imagine that. I don't know what it would be, but it'd be like, I think it'd be 50-60% would be in hot water if their mortgage payment went up about $100, $120. It wouldn't surprise me. You know what I'm saying? I want to know what you guys think about that. If you know the statistics in your area, I'd like to know. I would really like to know. Because it's really shocking that, I mean, a payment goes up $100 a month. That's probably like a 0.5% interest rate goes up, or 0.25%, depending on what the capital is you're borrowing and the finance charges you're paying, right? I was kind of shocked because I know New Zealand is in the same boat. New Zealand, I would estimate, I would forecast 58% to 60% of the New Zealand proper would be in hot water if their mortgage payment went up $100. Rent payments, everybody would be screwed. I think if rent went up $100 a month across the board, I think, especially in New Zealand, a lot of people would be in a lot of trouble. Right now in Vancouver, for some reason, I notice a lot of people work 3 jobs. So it won't affect them as much, especially if you're working 3 jobs, right? But I know other places, like, people like to have more fun and be more social and go out and do things. They don't want to work 70, 80 hours a week, right? And if you know someone that works 70, 80 hours a week, you know, kind of find out what they're up to, what to do, because it'd be very interesting. It's like they're basically working always, or they're not sleeping. It's one or the other, or not eating. Anyways, yeah, pretty shocking news. Just a mere $100 a month could make or break somebody, literally. And I think a lot of people are riding off, well, we know this, riding off the coattails of their mortgages, the equity in their home, so they think they won a lottery. So meanwhile, they don't realize, a lot of people didn't realize, like, oh, I kept thinking housing was going to keep going up, so I could keep riding off the coattails off my equity. Well, that's not going to happen forever. And people need to come to grips that housing is a roller coaster. It goes up and down. You know, like, I buy stocks all the time. I bought that stock the other day, those two stocks the other day. Mind you, I'm up quite a bit today. Quite a bit. Look at my video from yesterday that I made for you guys, the pot stocks that I bought, and I've been reading articles on pots tripling or quadrupling in price. Read the article, or look at in my Rants and Lifestyle. Go look at that video in my Rants and Lifestyle bin there. Take a look at it, and look what it's up today from what I bought it for. I took a screenshot of it and sent it to my wife. She's like, whoa! It's like, either you're super lucky or you're timing the market right or what. No. It's just, I think it's the time of the year. I think it's the time of year when we're going to start seeing change, you know? That's when I bought into the pot market, stock market, the TSX, back a year. Was it a year ago, guys? Do you remember? It was about a year ago. Bought and sold right at the right time. Sold it when it reached 14. Now it's at 11 something now. 11, almost 12. And it's huge. But I take that risk. I understand that if that company goes bust, I lose all my money. I get it. I understand that. But people getting into the housing market, they need to understand that, I mean, it's not a game. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Your comments are much appreciated. Big hug to everyone. Thanks.